Today I am presenting our hackathon project AI versus Human Text Detection System. The main objective of this project is to build a machine learning model that can identify whether a given piece of text is written by human or generated by artificial intelligence. In this project, we perform preprocessing on the text data, convert it into numerical form using vectorization techniques, and train multiple machine learning models such as logistic regression and Navy Bayes. We can evaluate the performance of the model using accuracy. To run our model, first we have to install the required packages like pandas, numpy, nltk, re. Pandas is a tool work with data in table format. It is used to analyze the data. Numpy are used to do mathematical operations. nltk a tool that helps computer understand and process text. re is a tool to search, match and clean text using patterns. And then we have to download stopwords. It is mainly used for text preprocessing. Unimportant words are removed during text processing. Next, we have to load the dataset. For that, download the required dataset in Kaggle. Next, we have to do preprocessing steps. First, the letters are converted into lowercase. Next, we are using re to remove the symbols like question mark, hashtag, etc. And then that split function used to split the sentence. For loop is used to remove the duplicates, and join function is used to convert list back to sentence. Now we have to define x and y in the dataset. Text is the x in dataset and generated is the y in dataset, and then we have to train and test the dataset simultaneously.
Now we are implementing the model using logistic regression. It is a supervised machine learning algorithm used for classification problems, especially when the output is categorical like yes or no. First, the model calculates a linear combination of input features, then applies the sigmoid function, and finally classifies the result based on the threshold. In this case, the goal is to classify whether a given text is written by AI or human. Making it a binary classification problem, the model works by converting text data into numerical features, learning patterns from the training data. Here, the logistic regression model is initialized and it is trained by input features x-train and labels y-train, where the label represent AI or human. Here, by using logistic regression, our accuracy score is 82.
After logistic regression, we have to implement next model. Next model is the Navy Bayes. In our project, we use the Navy Bayes algorithm as one of the model to classify whether a given text is human written or AI generated. Navy Bayes works by calculating the probability of each word appearing in a human and AI text, then predicts the class based on the highest probability. It assumes that all words are independent, which makes it simple and fast. Even with this assumption, it performs very well for text classification problem. In our system, we trained the Navy Bayes model on labeled data and used it to generate prediction along with the confidence score. After implementing the Navy Bayes model, the predicted accuracy is 79%. Given conditions are, if the predicted probability is greater than or equal to 80, the output will be acceptable, that is handwritten. If the probability is greater than or equal to 60, that is an uncertainty, needs review. The predicted probability is less than or equal to 60, that is AI predicted. In our dataset, the predicted confidence is 86%. It is acceptable. Overall, this project demonstrates how machine learning can be used to solve real-world problems related to AI-generated content detection. Thank you.